Steven here, and welcome back to another guitar lesson. Today we're going to learn part 2 of Twinkle Little Star. Super fun, super easy. If you have part 1 down, good for you. Part 2 should be a piece of cake. So, grab your guitar and let's play. Alright, now that you have your guitar, let's review the strings. Do you remember where string number 1 is? Was it the top? Or was it the bottom? Very good. String number 1 is the bottom string. Again, string 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Remember Twinkle Little Star? We're only going to play on the first string. So it's going to be a very easy string. All right. So let's get started. So part 2 of Twinkle Little Star goes like this. Pretty easy. So all we're going to do is start on the 7th fret. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Play this 2 times. And then go to the 5. 5, 2 times. Alright, and then we're going to go to the 4, 2 times. And then the last on number 2, but only play this 1 time. Alright, so we're going to play this 2 times. 7, 7, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2. Alright, good job. Now, the last part of the song, we're going to play what we played in part 1. So it's going to go like this. Alright, so same thing as part 1. Alright, so now what we're going to do is play the song from start to finish. Alright, let's see if we can do it. Here we go. Alright, good job everybody. You were able to play a whole song. Congratulations. Well, I hope you guys had fun. Keep practicing, don't give up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!